Hi guys, Ali here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we have an Intex Dura-Beam airbed. So this is a Dura-Beam plus pillow rest raised airbed. That's a big name. So this bed is by Intex, and over here it says it has a quick fill plus internal pump. It's also a Velcro surface. No, it's a velvet surface. Max, it can hold up to 300 pounds and has a additional bottom ring. And it says at the back, it's 100% more durable, 35% more supportive, and 50% lighter. And this is also the plus version, not the standard nor the deluxe. So it also has an internal pump. We'll see how well that works. And this is a twin-sized bed. So that's the box. So there's this side, that side, back, the bottom. So without further ado, let's get unboxing. So okay, so you guys can see there's different materials and stuff, and it's blue. So let's see, it is a paper, the warranty paper. Let's put that to the side. And this is owner's manual. Okay, this. And if I'm not wrong, this is a bag. Oh wow! So this is a bag where you can put this in. Oh, that's very nice. So let's put this here. Okay, so this will be coming in useful, how to inflate and deflate the mattress. So let's see. Oh. It's pretty big. So we'll be needing this. So let's see. First, we're gonna need to inflate. Let me just pull this out. So it's like a wire. It's a wire, so you're not gonna be needing any batteries, which is a good thing. If you know, like, this would be a very good bed if you're going to travel and you're booking a hotel and there's not enough space there, or you're going camping with a family. And so it's very nice. So let's plug it in. And so it's plugged in, and now there's a switch over here. I don't think so if you can see or not. There's a switch here. So that's that. And now we're gonna be so it's inflating. You guys can see. Oh wow, that works very wow. As you guys saw, that worked very well. And there's also a deflating system. So, and there's also a manual area where you can put a pump. So we'll come back after this is fully inflated.